Do you know the difference between little and a little? Let's understand easily. Let's understand some rules. First we see little. Little means very less, almost none. Let's see some examples. There is little water in the glass. ગ્લાસમાં બહુ થોડું પાણી છે. There is little sugar in the jar. બરણીમાં બહુ થોડી ખાંડ છે. Now we see a little. A little means થોડુંક. Let's see some examples. There is a little water in the glass. ગ્લાસમાં થોડુંક પાણી છે. There is a little sugar in the jar. બરણીમાં થોડી ખાંડ છે. Now we see key rule. Little means almost none. A little means some. So remember, add a equal positive meaning. Friends, grammar easy છે. બસ little અને a little ના રૂલ્સ યાદ રાખો તો